Good morning, y'all. It is Monday, and this is the beginning of a new vlog. Yesterday, I was meal prepping in that clip. It says an hour. Didn't I just say 2 hours? Oh, that was 2 minutes. I am tripping. I'm gonna put it in this bowl, put some sauce on here. Remember, we're using this sauce right here. And that'll be finished. I got up a little bit closer to on time today, so yay me for that. As I was saying, before I was rudely interrupted, today I like meal prepping the way I've started meal prepping because it's really easy to just throw my pre-cooked foods, like simple things, instead of having to make meals or eat predetermined meals. It gives me a little bit more flexibility while also like eating healthy. Girl, I know I'm not tripping. Thank you. Girl, now I'm all discombobulated. I don't know. I'm prepping my stuff. I have my breakfast and my lunch, which also is technically a breakfast. But it's protein, it's pretty healthy, and it's a kind of grab and go kind of meal. That's my snack. These are pretty good. I got a 40-ounce cup. It's not a Stanley, but
I'm gonna use this family.
It's a really durable cup. It's 40 ounces, and it has lasted me a pretty long time. And I like it because it's not convenient to like drink out of because of how the top is made. But I like it because it's my work cup. Because of how the top is made, it's very secure. It's leak proof, and it's like germ safe because I work in a hospital. I'm gonna just put this in my bag.
Yo, baby, I'll love you one day. Baby, will someday.
I just made this iced coffee. And tell me why does it look so good? And it was for the free. Please. Or was stuff I already had, but like, come on. Come on. The fit scrubs because it's raining. Boyfriend's jacket. Wig is Moneymaker half wig with a little bit of leave out this time. Crocs and iced coffee. Good. Ooh, it tastes like a Werther's what you call it?
6 days later.
This is my progress with my spring cleaning. All of these bags need to go to Goodwill. And then this is the hair products that I have. I just need to organize and categorize them to put in my little bin over here. Don't mind this if I need to put it up. And then I kind of went through my clothes for the most part, and I went through my shoes to see what I'm keeping right now and my purses and stuff.
I know I've been on the run, not trying to test your power. Ashamed I'm only calling when I'm crying in the shower. But I think I've started to believe.
Going to fly by. That's very soon. Very soon.
It smells so good in here, y'all. We did good old vacuuming and mopping. That stuff over there has to go to storage. And then that stuff right there has to go to the trash can. It's like full. My little cart is full. And then my little mop broke. So my mom says I can like put some duct tape on here. But I don't think I have duct tape. Let me see. see what I got. I have this packing tape. She said I can use that first to see if like it'll work. So I'll use that. And I got me some more ginger ale yesterday. I ain't had ginger ale in a whole week, girl. I got my stuff thrown out. So I don't think I'm gonna need anything else really. I just gotta go. Well, I just want to go look around and stuff because I don't really need anything. This big spring cleaning is mostly about me having too much stuff. So I want to make sure what I take is what I need and what I have is not, you know, clutter. I don't want to take clutter and just junk with me. So, and y'all, I was so productive yesterday. I filmed 5 YouTube videos. 5. I edited a little bit and I did all that spring cleaning. No wonder I was so tired because unfortunately I'm not usually that productive. I'm just learning how to work with. I feel like I have ADHD, but of course I'm not diagnosed. I don't really go to doctors like that, to be honest. So I'm just doing things that work for me as an adult, because yeah, I want to do things that do what's best for me so that I can like break generational curses as needed. I can do my best so I can do what's best for my family, for my future family. Y'all, they do not talk about, I mean, maybe it is talked about, but how hard it is to break habits, like break habits that are like bad for you. Cause you feel like an addict, like you want to do something but you know that it's bad for you. You know it's not gonna serve you. You know that it's not healthy. You know that it's toxic for you. But it's like being in an abusive relationship with yourself. Like, it's so hard to leave because it's comfortable. But you know you need to leave for your good and for your safety. But the unknown of what happens when you leave scares you, you know? So, I don't know. We're just here doing our best. But happy Sunday. I don't know how I've been vlogging this week. I know yesterday I picked up the camera a little bit to show me like cleaning and stuff. So yeah, this weekend has not been like too eventful, to be honest. But I hope y'all's weekend I hope your weekend was better. I hope it was very productive. Y'all have a good day. Thank you for watching.